Jai Hind, dear students of class 12th. Today I am going to discuss in practical work comparison of mean, median and mode. The three measures of the central tendency could easily be compared with the help of normal distribution curve. You can see here in this part the normal distribution curve, the mean, median, mode, what we have discussed already has come in this way. So the normal distribution has an important characteristics. The mean, median and mode are the same score as a score of 100 in figure 2 point figure given in your book. You can see this figure 2.5, right? Because a normal distribution of E is symmetrical, the score with highest frequency occurs in the middle distribution and exactly half of the scores occurs above the middle of the half of the scores occur below. Most of the scores occur around the middle of the distribution or the mean. Very high, very low scores do not occur frequently, are therefore considered rare. So you have to also show positive skew with diagram, negative skew with diagram also. Now we will discuss about measures of dispersion. In measures of dispersion, we are going to discuss directly methods of measuring dispersion. The following methods are used to measurement of dispersion. You can see the name: range, quartile deviation, mean deviation, standard deviation and coefficient of variation, and Lorentz curve. Each of these methods has significant advantage as well as limitations. Right? There is a need to use either of the method with great precaution. The standard deviation as an on solitude measure of dispersion of coefficient of variation CV is a relative measure of dispersion. Besides, the range are mostly commonly used measures of dispersion. So what is range? First I am going to discuss. What is range? Range इसके बारे में थोड़ा लिखना पड़ेगा आपको. Range is a difference between maximum and the minimum values in a series of distribution. किसी भी एक सीरीज, जैसे एग्जाम्पल इसमें आप देखिएगा 2.7. Calculate the range for the following distribution is given here. How we are calculating? R means range is calculated with the help of formula R equal to L minus S. R means range, L and S is the largest and smallest value. So simply largest value is the 100 and smallest is the 40. Here in this group you can see the range is 60. So if you eliminate the 10th case, R becomes 20. 60 minus 40. The elimination of one score has reduced the R to just 1/3. So it is obvious that difficulty with the R is a measure of variability, right? Then standard deviation. You have to write about a standard deviation. Standard deviation is the most widely used measure of dispersion. It is defined as the square root of average of square deviation. Up to this part you have to write. Then you have to write about to obtain ST deviation, that is the standard deviation of each score of x in first square x square. It is important to note that step makes all negative signs and deviation positive. The SD from major criticism of mean deviation, which uses modules x, then all squared deviation are assumed as minus x squared. Clear? So again you have to write about something. Standard deviation is defined as a root mean square deviation. Simply the formula is given here. Nu equal to under root summation of x square divided by n. During these steps I am going directly to the example. You can see here it is example 2.8. and here it is given calculate the standard deviation for the following score. The score is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So the first x means the score 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. This is summation of x is 25. The total number they occur 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divided by 5 will get 5. Then small x, that is x minus x bar. So here you can see from 5, 1 minus 5 minus 4, 1 minus 3, 3 minus 5 minus 2, points minus 6 is not correct. Here 1 minus 5 is minus 4, it is correct. 3 minus 5 minus 2, 5 minus 5 0, 7 minus 5 2, and 6 minus 5 is not 6 approx, it is 3, correct. And then we will square it. 9 से 5 जाएगा तो 4 आएगा, स्क्वायर में सही दिया हुआ है देखो 16, 4 का स्क्वायर करोगे 16, 2 का स्क्वायर करोगे 4, 0 0, 2 का स्क्वायर करोगे 4 और 4 का स्क्वायर करोगे तो 16. यहाँ पे 6 गलती से दे दिया है, so don't see it. Now what will you do? You have to calculate it in this way. Nu equal to summation under root summation of x square by n under root 40 divided by 5. Where from we get the 40? It is the 40, 16, 4, 20, 4, 24, 16, 40. 40 the x square is the 40 divided by 5 under root तोड़ेंगे आएगा under root 8 equal to 2.82 और under root 8 equal to 2.828. So up to 2 we are going 2.83 is the ST for this term. Then on the basis of that computation of standard deviation is given, you have to go through yourself. Some formula is also given there in class. It is completed and I will try to send you copy of practical through WhatsApp. I am trying to send through which you can complete your practical work. Now coefficient of variation. When the observation of different places of periods are expressed in different units, the measurements are not compared. The coefficient of variation CV proves very useful. CV expresses, you have to write about this. CV expresses the standard deviation as the percentage of mean. यहाँ तक CV expresses the standard deviation as a percentage of mean. So CV equal to standard deviation divided by mean into 100. The formula is CV equal to SD divided by mean into 100. So for this you can say CV equal to nu divided by x bar, that is the mean, into 100. So CV equal to nu divided by x bar into 100. So what standard deviation we got? 2.83. So CV equal to 2.83 divided by 5. What is 5? It is the x bar, and mean we have got it already. Average into 100. So result will be the 56%. So up to this you have to write. Now we will discuss about the rank correlation. This much figure, after writing little bit from important, you have to draw these diagrams also showing the perfect positive correlation, perfect negative correlation, etc. As well as you have to show this figure, a spread of direction of degree of correlation. Now we are going to discuss about one more correlation, that is methods of calculating correlation, and we are going to discuss about Spearman's rank correlation. Spearman's divides the method of computing correlation with the help of ranks. Method is popularly known as Spearman's rank correlation, symbolized as Greek letter rho. P की तरह लिखते हैं, रो पढ़ते हैं. Spearman's rank correlation method is widely used. The computation of correlation is undertaken in the step given below. कॉपी टू डाटा रिलेटेड एक्स वाई वेरिएबल। सीधे हम एग्जांपल पे आते हैं। नाउ सी फर्स्ट हियर व्हाट इज द फार्मूला, रो इक्वल टू 1 minus 6 summation of d square divided by n under bracket n square minus 1 bracket close. Clear? So here example 2.9 is given, scoring geography of 10 students, scoring geography as the x and y given here. So the next you have to make the table x जो ये दिया हुआ था 2 8 0 20 12 लास्ट में 0, इसको आप कर देंगे y में, y की स्कोर्स को उतार दोगे, 9 10 लास्ट में है देखो। फिर क्या करेंगे, एक्स आर निकालेंगे। एक्स आर का मतलब रैंकिंग करेंगे, जैसे सबसे बड़ा इसमें कौन सा है, दिस इज 20, सो 20 विल बी द फर्स्ट, 20 के बाद 18, 18 विल बी द सेकेंड, 18 के बाद 16, 16 विल बी द थर्ड, उसके बाद 12 है फोर्थ, फिर 10 है 5 एंड सो ऑन। इसी तरह सबकी रैंकिंग कर देंगे। लाइकवाइज y की भी रैंकिंग कर देंगे। y में देखो सबसे बड़ा कौन सा है 24, टी रैंक वाई आर में क्या हो गया 1, 24 से छोटा 20 रैंक 2, सबसे छोटा 4 है रैंक 10, लाइक दिस you have to do it. Clear beta? After that you have to do one thing, you have to find out d. D means the difference between xr and yr. Here it is 9, here it is 10, डिफरेंस कितने का हुआ 1 का, 7 and 5 2 का, फिर 10 और 9 का 1 का, 1 1 0 4 4 0 3 3 0 8 8 0 2 2 0 6 7 1 5 6 1, 1 का डिफरेंस हुआ। अब इसका करेंगे क्या, डी स्क्वायर निकाल लेंगे, 1 का स्क्वायर भी 1, 2 का 4, 1 का 1, 0 का 0 ही होगा, 1 का 1, 1 का 1। अब इसका डी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू कर लेंगे 1 4 5 1 6 7 8, मिल गया। अब इसका कंपटीशन करना है, वेयर रो इज द रैंक कोरिलेशन, डी इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द रैंक एक्स वाई एंड एन इज द नंबर ऑफ आइटम्स ऑफ एक्स वाई। कितने नंबर है 10 नंबर, हियर यू कैन सी 10 है। तो ध्यान से देखो, रो इक्वल टू 1 minus 6 summation of d square divided by n under bracket n to n square minus 1 bracket close। अब सीधे फॉर्मूला पुट करेंगे रो के लिए, 1 minus 6 into 8, समीशन ऑफ डी स्क्वायर क्या आया है 8, तो सीधे 6 into 8 हो जाएगा, और डिवाइडेड बाई 10, 10 नंबर था टोटल, और ब्रैकेट में 10 का स्क्वायर माइनस 1, तो आगे जब बढ़ेंगे तो आएगा 1 minus 48, 6 8 या 48, 8 से 48 डिवाइडेड बाई 10 अंडर ब्रैकेट 100 minus 1। अगले स्टेप में 1 इक्वल टू 48 अपॉन 10 अंडर ब्रैकेट 99, 100 से 1 हट गया 99 हो गया। और सिंपली जब आगे बढ़ेंगे हम 1 minus 48 डिवाइडेड बाई अंडर ब्रैकेट 990, जब हम इसको कैलकुलेट करेंगे डिवाइड करेंगे तो ये आएगा 1 minus 0.05। तो हम लोग को मालूम है रैंक कोरिलेशन प्लस मैक्सिमम और मिनिमम -1 से +1 तक ही होता है। सो यहाँ पे जब हम 1 से इसको माइनस करते हैं तो हम लोग को निकलता है 0.95। क्लियर? सो यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर दिस। So this lesson is finished. Prepare in your practical copy because time is very less. Board is not going to derail the activity. Examination will happen at that time. So don't miss class. I think it is better to come school. Thank you. Have a nice day.